This video is made only for educational purposes. No stock ETF should be bought without advice from your investment advisor. Suzlon Energy Limited. Market price 8 rupees. Target price, your guess. Green energy is the future energy. The government of India has set an ambitious target of installing 175 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity by the year 2022, which includes 100 gigawatts from solar, 60 gigawatts from wind, 10 gigawatts from biopower, and 5 gigawatts from small hydropower. Suzlon Energy Limited is a multinational wind turbine manufacturer based in Pune. It was formerly ranked by MEC as the world's fifth largest wind turbine supplier. Suzlon Energy Limited was yesterday's blue chip and today's penny stock. It can become tomorrow's multibagger stock. In 2008, Suzlon Energy's share price was at its peak at 459 rupees. But today, it's a penny stock with a price as low 8 rupees. As Suzlon Indian business was doing well, it made big ticket global acquisitions. In 2006, it acquired Belgian wind turbine gearbox manufacturing firm Hansen Transmissions International NV. In 2007, it bought a majority stock in the German wind turbine maker RE Power. Between 2007 and 2011, Suzlon progressively ramped up its stock in another German wind turbine manufacturer, Senvion SCA, and eventually bought out the whole company. Then came the downfall in 2008 when Lehman Brothers collapsed. Order flow from two of the biggest energy markets of the world, Europe and the US, stopped completely. Losses and debt both started to rise for Suzlon Energy. Till 2007 to 8, Suzlon Energy was a healthy company. It posted a consolidated net profit of 1020 crore in fiscal 2008. Post Lehman crisis, during the 5 years period between fiscal 2010 and fiscal 2015, Suzlon Energy's losses went nearly 10 times of 9,160 crore. With climate crisis enveloping the planet Earth, green energy is growing fast. Suzlon Energy's sales are again increasing and losses are narrowing. Wakrangi Limited. Market price 42 rupees. Target price, your guess. A decade back, Wakrangi was the largest enrollment agency for UIDAI and carried out over 50 million Aadhaar enrollments. Back in 2018, Wakrangi was investors' darling. It then crossed 50,000 crore in market cap. The stock had turned into a 10-bagger in just 2 years. Its market cap has since then dwindled by more than 90%, now at 4,450 crore. Due to the abnormal rise in its share price, Wakrangi came under the lens of markets regulator SEBI in 2018 for alleged price and value manipulation of its own script. Reportedly, a group of 22 clients related to each other as well as to the company were continuously buying and selling the script, accounting for 74.87% of market gross volume on BSE and NSE on certain days. Following this news, shares of the company went on a free fall. As such, the company's business model is intact. Wakrangi's business continues to do well in digital India. Incorporated in 1990, Wakrangi is a technology-driven company centered around last mile retail outlets to deliver digital services to the unserved and the unserved rural and semi-urban population. It has over 10,000 next-gen Wakrangi Kendras and presence in 520 districts. 70% of companies presence in Tier 5th and Tier 6th terms. Its services include white label ATM, assisted online shopping, assisted online healthcare or telemedicine services, assisted home loan services, online travel services, bill payment, banking services, and insurance services. Wakarangi has tie-ups with several banks, oil PSUs, telemedicine providers, online lenders, online payment platform, courier companies, and many others. Vodafone Idea Limited. Market price 14 rupees. Target price your guess. Troubles for Vodafone started with a retrospective tax when Vodafone PLC purchased a 67% share in Hutchison SR for $11.1 billion and the Indian Tax Department asked the operator to pay 20,000 crore as penalty. Even after merging with Idea in 2018, the telco has not been able to recover. Then came another blow. India's richest man Mukesh Ambani's telecom baby Reliance Jio was born in September 2016. With the launch of Jio, India's telecom story was rewritten. Big operators Bharati Airtel and Vodafone Idea were caught by surprise. Jio announced its cheap tariff plans. Then came the Supreme Court's AGR verdict in favor of the government in 2019, which asked the already beleaguered company to pay all dues related to AGR. This year, through the Supreme Court allowed the telecom operators to make staggered payments in 10 years. High spectrum costs and regularity issues have also hampered the telecom sector. In April 2015, Vodafone India had a market cap of 72,920 crore, which fell to a low of 8,480 crore in November 2019. The market cap has since then recovered to present 39,220 crore. Still, Vodafone Idea's market cap is just about 11% of the market cap of Bharti Airtel. Pricing power is returning back to the telecom sector with the recent tariff hikes announced by all the three operators. Payment of AGR dues is not an immediate burden, with 10 years time given for the same. Per capita data consumption is increasing. 5G will further increase volumes and pricing power.
Please subscribe our channel, give a like, leave a comment.